Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and I'm going to show you how to make a turkey club in 60 seconds.
All right, let's get into it. We got 3 slices of sourdough. You want to use a different bread, you do whatever you want. I don't care. Mayo on every layer of that bread. I'm using shaved turkey. That's a key. Get the shaved turkey, very thinly sliced Swiss cheese, little salt, little pepper. We'll put that piece of bread right on top. Look at this. We're building a foundation to greatness. Let me take a step back, smile, because I know how good this is going to be. I got a little smashed avocado, which we're going to spread on the next layer. Lettuce, tomato, salt, and pepper, every layer, folks, okay? Then we're going to hit it with the applewood bacon, because what's a sandwich without applewood bacon? A little more avocado and mayo on that next layer. Let's take a step back. Wow, look at that. And let me tell you, I don't use regular toothpicks. I use swords because I'm a gladiator. Look at this. Cut it on a diagonal, then hit it the other way. And this is what you got. A day of greatness.
You ever want to join the country club but you just don't have the funds? That doesn't mean you can't have a nice turkey club sandwich. You can make it right in your house and have a better time. Where do you want to be? Out on the course with a guy named Fuzzy who's telling you about his handicap? Yeah, we know your handicap. We saw the pass in your Cadillac. And that's another sandwich in 60 seconds. And from my house to yours, bon appetit.